The next one, when my hand see na scissors. If you ask me who I go ask, wetin go make me put scissors for inside bag? I don't know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you for coming back, guys. If today now your first time you are seeing this face or you just came across this video, you are so much welcome to my channel. So I beg, if you never subscribe or you never join this beautiful family, I beg, help us do the favor and help us smash that's our button that says subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload any video, you will be notified and you'll just know when we upload any video. So thank you so much for coming. As you already know from the title already, it is all about what is inside my bag. So what did they inside my bag? What did they inside my bag? So guys, I'll go to show now what did they inside my bag. So as you can see here, I have two bags here. This one is my present bag here. So this one is my present bag, and this one now my previous baby mama's bag. So I always call this bag my baby mama's bag, guys. I so much love this bag, but not what you not gonna understand. But I did grateful to God Almighty say I don't pass the exam of this bag, guys. For not gonna understand, no worry. As they go further to for this video, we're not gonna understand why I say I did grateful to God Almighty. Okay, guys. So I tell that I said this one of my present bag. So let me start with this my baby mama's. Let me see for this for here. You can see this place now, it don't remove. And if you can see the handle of this bag, this handle don't remove as well. See the leg that they pee, it already pee from this bag. And now show now the bag of this bag. So now see, so this bag actually it don't do its own work and it need freedom. Oh my God, I so much miss this bag. So I'm gonna miss this bag. So let me guys, like I tell now how I can get this bag. Okay, so when I finally gave birth to my baby, so my sister, which is my elder sister, she come visit me. In short, she can't do omugo for my house. So as she come with this bag and some lot of goodies. So as she come, the first thing when I just see for everything where she just bring come now this bag. Oh, as I see, I immediately I tell her, say, girl, you are not going with this bag anymore. You go drop this bag. She said, lie. I say, okay, you must drop this bag. So at the end of it all, she finally dropped the bag. My sister, she's a very nice person. Okay, guys. So that is how this bag finally deal with me for good 3 years. And this bag is my bag where beside they use for my baby stuff. So anytime they go market or they go out anywhere, so now this bag I they use. So guys, and now why I say I dey grateful to God, because my son now is not 3 years old, so I'm not going to be using this baby mama's bag again. And beside this bag, it don't work, it work. As soon as I can see this place. In short, this bag it really try. So let's get down to the video. Okay, what is inside my baby mama's bag? What is inside this bag? So let's get down to the video. Let's see what is inside this bag. So guys, so first thing first, I need to wear my hand for touch. So first this one now my paper. So this paper, or should I say jotter? So this one now, maybe when I go outside, I come across anybody or I want to write any kind of thing for anybody. So this one I'm waiting I they use. I'll just kind of write anything, maybe address or so kind of things. So this one I'm waiting I they use. Okay, guys. Then the next one should be okay, my hand pick two things. So this one are my pen to write, and this one now my lip gloss, guys. Yeah, so I not they miss this thing. I always they carry this lip gloss. It must this in my bag. May I put small for my lips, may they shine they go for there. Not too much. So I always they use this lip gloss, especially during cold time, that is winter time. So now they use this lip gloss. So yeah, for my dry lips, so I kind of put that so that it go the refresh. But I love my meal. Hey. So the next one should be where my chewing gum. Guys, this one are my chewing gum. So I kind of like chewing gum, but not all the time. So I kind of like chewing gum, maybe to keep my mouth busy if I did some kind of place, you understand, guys? So I just, you know, take one, just kind of put on. So this chewing gum, I think it they go like 3 months if I'm not mistaken. Don't say for inside my bag. So yeah, now for this one. So the next one is the next one. Okay, I want to open this zip here. Okay, the next one now, paracetamol, or yeah, we call them tachypirina. So this one now tachypirina. So yeah, maybe sometimes I kind of feel headache when I go outside, depend on how the headache dey summer. Now they use this one for, okay guys. So this one now for this one. Okay, so the next one is my thermometer. Hey, where the thing don't open? Yeah, or temperature or thermometer whatsoever. So this one, yeah, I dey use that for my baby whenever we go outside. Maybe the temperature kind of high, I don't understand, so I kind of use this one. So a lot of us know what this one be. A lot of we mothers, we get this one for inside our bags or for house. So this one they always dey inside my bag. I know they miss them. Yeah, so now before this one. So the next one now, waiting. Okay, this one at the cover of this thing. So the next one now, my nail cutter. So guys, I don't know what I did. I know you also know about this nail cutter, why I keep it inside my bag. I think maybe it go dey easier for me. Maybe if I dey look for nail cutter, I want to cut my children nails, so it go kind of dey easier for me to just go inside my bag and pick them, because sometimes I always dey look for this nail cutter too much. Okay guys, so now before this one. So the next one, yeah, okay, the next one when my hand see now scissors. If you ask me who I go ask, what it go make me put scissors for inside bag? I don't know. So yeah, this one are scissors. I kind of put them so that it go still dey easier for me. If I dey look for my scissors, I go it go dey easier for me to find. Okay guys, the next one is my purse. So yeah, this purse, it contains my documents, my some small cash. Okay, make I open out small for una mona see. As you can see guys, this one are my documents here. So this one are my some card or whatsoever. And some cash. Yeah, so that one for waiting this inside my bag, inside my purse. Yeah, so this one they always they go with me. Yeah, so the next one is, okay, my earpiece, guys. This one is my earpiece. It must be inside my bag. Maybe I want to listen to some music, or depend on or call. Maybe if I did hear too much noise there, I kind of put this one on. It's easier for me carrying a baby, and just, you know, you put this one inside for ear, just like that. You are good to go. So yeah, so the next one is tachypirina for baby. So this one now, maybe my baby temperature kind of hot if I dare outside. So this one is tachypirina, so or paracetamol. So now they use for my baby when I go outside. But not be always, but just in case, you know, now just in case. So yeah, that is for this one. So the other one is okay, wipe, baby wipe. Okay guys, so this one now normal. Now generally you must get this thing for inside your bag. Mothers, are we there? Are we communicating? So this one are for this one. Okay guys, moving on to the next one. Hey, wait till my hand will pick now. Okay, pampers. See the pampers, it don't have skills, because it don't say where this say it dey inside my bag. See the pampers, those skills. So yeah, I must put at least one pampers inside my bag, but depend on the kind of time or where that they go. Now they put pampers. Maybe if they say I want to spend long time and I know when I tell they change my baby diaper, so I kind of change or whatsoever, so I'm not going to cut my mouth. So the next one, what is in what again? Okay, my tissue paper. Yeah, this one are tissue paper to clean or to clean. So this one are for this one tissue paper to clean whatsoever. So what else again? I think maybe it don't finish. Yeah. So yay! This one are for this bag. Yeah. So I think the only thing where they miss inside here where I not put just two things. And they put also powder. Yeah, and they put powder and food. So the intents of food depend on the kind of time where I want to spend for outside. Maybe if I want to spend long time for outside, I feel put some kind of food like 3 to whatsoever, you know, for children now. So yeah, now only the thing where I not put inside this bag, food and powder. Okay guys, so I go miss this bag so much. I go miss this bag so much. So guys, let's move to the other bag, which is my present bag, guys. So this one are my present bag, guys. So as you can see, this bag I get this bag from my former house, one of my neighbor where they live for my former house. So this lady, she dashed me this bag. This one before I gave birth to my baby, and she dashed me this bag, and I so much love this bag so much. And what else again? Yeah, so ever since she give me, so I not get it and and do. So I did think of giving this bag out, but I just say okay, may I keep her, maybe for future purpose it go get used. So the day has finally come, guys. So I so much they excited to rock this bag. Okay guys, so yeah, now before this one, so what today inside this bag is tissue paper, this one here, and what else again, my pen. This one are very compulsory something for me, my pen. And what else again, paper or jotter, I don't know what I go call them. So this one are to write as well for anybody. When I see, I kind of write one or two things for person. So or I just really want to write something when I see, you understand, depends. So now before this paper, and waiting again, oh, this one are chewing gum. So yeah, this one are chewing gum to keep the mouth busy, you understand, but not all the time, depends on where you they go. So yeah, that before chewing gum. So yeah, nothing much again. And what you go see there inside this bag, that be my purse. This purse it go there inside my bag. So now compulsory something, it must be inside my bag. So yeah guys, yeah, so I not go put too much something for this bag. No, not be say I know they put panchichi, all those kind of things. So I'll just be easy person going now just like that. So yeah, so that is that for this my bag. So guys, that's the end of this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, okay, and drop your comment and tell me what you they put for inside your baby mama's bag, or what you they put for your previous bag, okay, what you they use for your bag. So yeah guys, so that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.